Is your toolbox equipped with the right tools? Well, if you're into woodworking, home improvements, or do-it-yourself projects, then you probably will need a rotary tool. A rotary tool is a handheld power tool with a rotating tip that accepts different accessories for different tasks, like grinding, sanding, honing, polishing, and much more. It's one of the essential pieces of equipment for do-it-yourselfers, craftsmen, electricians, auto mechanics, remodelers, and even artists. With so many rotary tools available both online and at local hardware stores, how can you be sure you'll get the best one? Well, if you're uncertain which brand to trust or which tool is worth your while, stay tuned because in this video, we'll reveal the top-rated and best-selling rotary tool kits today. All of it aimed to help you sort out which tool suits your needs. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Dremel 4000 series 1.6 amp variable speed corded rotary tool kit with 36 accessories. Dremel is an American brand of power tools that continues to be one of the most trusted and well-known names in the industry for over 85 years. If you want a versatile, reliable toolkit to use in your workshop, this product is a great choice. It has 16 amps with electronic feedback circuitry that enables consistent, superior performance at all speed levels. It automatically adjusts the power and speed to meet your needs. The Dremel 4000 boasts of the Easy Twist integrated nose cap wrench that's extremely useful in changing your accessories. You can easily attach the accessory you need in less than a minute, giving you more time to finish and work on your project. It has a slim body design that has a comfortable grip. It also comes with a variable speed dial that enables you to adjust the speed depending on your project or material. The Dremel 4000 is compatible with all Dremel rotary accessories and attachments. You don't need to use different tools as this kit already has everything you might need. Dremel offers a 2-year warranty for this UL and CSA listed rotary toolkit. Taking our second spot is the Milwaukee M12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless rotary tool kit with 1.5 amp battery and charger. Doing projects has never been more convenient with a rotary tool on hand. Whether you're an auto mechanic, electrician, carpenter, crafter, or simply a homeowner, this versatile tool is undoubtedly a great addition to your toolbox. It's the most powerful and compact cutoff solution for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Integrated with high-performance motor design, optimized electronics, and a red lithium battery technology, it's exceptionally long-lasting. The multifunctional Milwaukee M12 cordless rotary tool will help you get the job done without switching from one device to another. It's equipped with a 12-volt motor that offers a variable speed of 5,000 to 32,000 RPMs. What's more is its collet is compatible with all 1/32 inch to 1/8 of an inch shank accessories, allowing you to do various tasks like carving wood, polishing metal, cutting fiberglass, or even carving a necklace. You can do anything you like, the only limit is your imagination. The Milwaukee M12 is powered by a red lithium battery that charges for as fast as 30 minutes, so you're always one step further to finishing your task. It's a lightweight, portable device that you can use all day, anywhere you need. Best of all, Milwaukee engineered this rotary tool with a grinder-style exhaust ports and front-bearing protection to increase its durability and longevity. There's also a click and set on-off switch for precise speed selection. At number 3 is the Ryobi One Plus, world's largest 18-volt tool system featuring the Ryobi 18-volt One Plus lithium-ion cordless rotary tool kit with 1.5 amp battery and charger. The rotary tool with 36 inches of shaft pen design will help you tackle extensive projects with ease. This is perfect for craftsmen, artists, or do-it-yourselfers who are into carving or engraving. It's powered by a compact lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 2 hours of uninterrupted use. With the variable speed dial, you can reach up to 34,000 RPMs, making it possible to finish any project in just a few hours. The 1/8 of an inch collet of the Ryobi One Plus rotary tool accepts most accessories, which means you can use it in different applications by simply switching the accessory. It comes with the integrated hanging keyholes that make it easy to store the rotary tool. You can mount it on a pegboard or install it on a tool cart. Its rubber feet keep the machine in place by preventing it from slipping while in use. There's also an onboard accessory storage so you can keep all of your accessories organized and within reach. Incredibly lightweight and very powerful, this kit includes a 1.5 amp battery, an 18-volt charger, 36-inch flexible shaft, 33 grinding, cutting, sanding, polishing accessories, an accessory storage case, an operator's manual, and Ryobi's 3-year warranty. What did you think of the rotary tool kits we've shared so far? If you liked one of them, we still have 2 more to reveal. There are no complicated projects if you have the right equipment. If you want to finish more projects in the future without consuming much of your time and energy, make sure to click the link in the description box to be equipped with the best rotary tool kit on the market. Let us know if there's another tool you'd like to see us feature in our next video by writing your suggestions in the comment box. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates on our latest happenings, and subscribe to our channel to watch more of our product reviews. And now let's continue. At number 4 is the 1.3 amp variable speed steady grip rotary tool with a 190 piece accessory kit, flex shaft, and carrying case by Wen. Start any project that comes across your mind with the most powerful and versatile tool on the market today. From removing rust on your outdoor power equipment, engraving a heartfelt message on jewelry, to trimming your dog's toenails, this product has your back. It's also one of the essential tools to invest in. With a high-powered 1.3 amp variable speed motor, you can reach a whopping 8,000 to 35,000 RPMs. You can achieve the speed you want by simply turning the speed dial. It has a versatile collet that accepts bits from 1/3 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. The ergonomic design of this rotary tool evenly distributes the tool's weight on your hand. You can do multiple tasks all day without straining your hands. Its 1.3 pound body is also something to rave about, as it can reduce fatigue during working sessions. What really makes this product stand out among other competitive brands is it comes with a removable steady grip handle that makes it easier to finish projects, particularly those that require force and steady hands. For intricate or complex detail work like carving decorative designs on wood, steel, or glass furniture, remove the steady grip handle attachment and include the flex shaft. The Wen 1.3 amp variable speed steady grip rotary tool is compatible with the majority of Dremel accessories. For easy transport and organized storage, this package includes a handy carrying case where you can safely keep the rotary tool and the included 190 accessories. At number 5 is the Dremel Micro 8V Max Rotary Tool Kit docking station and 18 accessories. This product is an absolute must-have for professionals or hobbyists who need an all-in-one tool for their projects. It's specially designed to be held between the thumb and finger, making it feel and look like you're holding a pencil. It comes with a 360-degree grip zone with soft grip that makes the tool comfortable to hold even during long working sessions. Aside from making you feel at ease while working, this rotary tool enables grip closer to the workpiece for an impressively detailed finished product. It's easy to maneuver and to control, which makes it the perfect tool for complex tasks. It also has a quick collet lock that makes it even more comfortable and safer to switch accessories. The Dremel Micro Rotary Tool might be small in size, as it's only 6.5 inches deep, 9.5 inches tall, and 1.65 inches wide. But it has an 8V max lithium-ion battery that has no memory effects. It offers variable speeds that reach 5,000 to 25,000 RPMs. What most buyers like about this product is it comes with a charged docking station where they can conveniently and safely charge the rotary tool. This self-stopping docking station continuously charges the device until it's full and automatically stops charging when the battery has reached its capacity. So you don't even have to worry if you've left the rotary tool unplugged. As for its charging time, it takes only 3 hours and 45 minutes, and then it's good for more rounds of sanding, polishing, cutting, or grinding. Well, that sums up our list of today's top-rated and best-selling rotary tool kits. Who would have thought that a compact handheld power tool can do such light and complex projects? With rotary tools, you can do almost anything. All you need to do is choose which model is best for you. If you saw something worth your while, make sure to check the link in the description box. Let us know if there's a rotary tool we missed to include in our list, or if there's a product you'd like to see us feature in one of our next videos by writing your suggestions in the comment box. Before we end this video, please click the subscribe button for more reviews like this and to become part of the ReviewTube community. Also, be sure to tap that bell icon to stay updated on the latest happenings of our channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.